Okay, so this is a tutorial tangle of 2 tangles. The first one I'm drawing right now, which kind of just looks like a blob, is called Pangea. And essentially what you do is you make one and you aura it right next to the other one. And how it got its name is it's kind of resembles the theory of dismembering the Earth's supercontinent that later divided up into segments that seem to fit together like puzzle pieces. And then what we're going to put inside of it is a tangle called mirth. And this tangle can be so many things. It can be the inside of a flower. It can be something aquatic. It can be so many different things. But it was created with the illusion of like underwater life is kind of what it was named after. So all you do is put this U shape in the center, and then you have lines come out of that you weight however you like, which just means adding ink, which is what I'm doing. You can see at the bottom of these when I'm making like this triangle shape, which it doesn't have to be a triangle. And then once you do the ones that come out of the U shape, you turn it sideways and have one go across from you and down towards you, and then just fill them in wherever. They can be wavy, they can be straight. There's no rules, there's no rhyme or reason to it. It's a great one to do so many different things with. We kind of did a version of this when we made kind of like that jellyfish flower that we joke about frequently. But so this, it does take a little bit. So if you're looking for a tangle that you want to spend a lot of time on, now if you just want to make, thin lines and not weight a lot, then this tangle goes very fast. But for me, I really like to weight them. I think it makes them rounder. I think it makes them look like they're floating. So once I got done with all of the black ink, I added some red and some green on the inside. And then I shaded with graphite, and then I added some white charcoal, which I felt like made them look fluffy and kind of holiday-ish. To me, they're kind of like these floating wavy candy, I don't know, they can be whatever. But anyway, so this is really sped up because this took a very long time to do because I weighted so much of it. So if you're looking for one of those tangles, and again, I always start my tangles out with gratitude, grateful for the pen, the paper, my life, whatever it is that I'm thankful for. And then on the inhale, I think of those things. On the exhale, I get rid of all the junk, the things that I don't need to be thinking about while I am doing something for me. Kind of the same thing if you were at a spa and getting a massage. You kind of want to leave the junk, right, so that you can enjoy the massage. This to me is self-care. This to me is my stress relief. And that's why I love to pick a tangle like this and get a big page going, especially if I've had a bad day or on my break at work. If I can grab any pen, any paper, any pencil and do this anywhere. So I keep a notebook from the Dollar Tree in my car, in my purse, pens from there. And whenever I just need to clear my mind, I get out a tangle that I already know, that I love, and do a page of it. And for me, it just takes my mind and clears it. So all I'm doing is focusing on these pen strokes. So this is Jessica, certified Zentangle teacher, working at changing the world, one tangle at a time. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.